It's your boy B Smooth back in it again. As y'all know, my camera fucked up, so work with me. I'm kind of like looking at the camera with it flipped. Like, it's fucked up, okay? Nothing else to talk about. Today, man, one of my partner brought a Can-Am Maverick 4-door. I think it's 4-seater Can-Am Maverick. Want to get a little music put in it, so hey, you already know, man. Go ahead, make the thing loud, man. Like I say, man, don't forget, like, subscribe, man. Let's get into the build. Let's get it. As y'all can see in another episode of Dexter Laboratory, yeah, we already been working on it. See, the yard is down there empty, so you know what that means. Got a Camaro here. The parts is missing from everywhere, but we got a Camaro. Anyway. But yeah, a lot of stuff is missing, so man, stay tuned. Shit get real. Alright, so as you can see, y'all, like I said, I already been fooling with it. I think this is a 120 something, I don't know, something I can't afford at the moment, but yeah, this thing. So we're gonna go ahead and put some sound in here, man, see what he sound like. Hopefully we can get it loud and clear. We're going with 4 6.5s in the back here. He did not want to do a middle box with the back box, so we're just gonna do the back. Oh well. What up, floats your boat? So we're gonna do 4. Alright guys, we all done. Got 4 6.5s, 2 hard, 2 tweeters. I got a nice busting up here. All wires are ran nice and neat. I gotta get my fucking crocus from down there and my shroom from right. Yes. Everything ran out nice and neat. Amp is actually under the seat right here. Just hit that button there, and then as you can see, amp power on. Let's see what she sound like. Alright, finna try to hit with my big cousin right here, Chris Parker. So let's see what he talking about here, y'all. Let's get it.
Would you do it all over? Would you do it all over? Yeah, yeah. Would you do it all over with me and not regret it? If I got on one knee, would you say yes, I'm ready? I hope you know you believe in this ain't nothing petty. So go and put on this ring, let's consecrate the wedding. I don't wanna resort to I don't know what happened. Catching flights and feelings, no, we don't do no capping. I know sometimes I get caught in my ways, I need you to work with me. For some reason, I'm still carrying this hurt with me.
Sounds good back here, y'all.
I just want you to love me until this pain vanish. Being something that you're not to me, girl, I can't stand it. We left our exes alone and they became many. If I got on one knee, what I have is second guesses. Would they let you know that I look at you as a blessing? Do I make you feel secure? Now that's another question.
Or they leave around.
Before I part the real question, would you do it all over? Would you do it all over with me?
Sound good, y'all.
Tell me, yeah. Would you do it?
Alright, there you have it, guys. Like I say, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, man. It's another side-by-side done by yours truly. Sound is amazing from this thing, man. I love it. Don't forget to check out my cousin Chris Parker Music. He on YouTube. Go check out Chris Parker Music, man. That boy be getting out. My big cousin, Bass at 901. Big shout out to him. Check out his channel. If you ain't subscribed to him, y'all gonna subscribe to that nigga channel, man. That's my boy. That's my big cousin. That's my big cousin. Love you, cousin. Love you, cousin. All right, man. It's your boy B Smooth. I'm out this bitch. Let's get it.